Hello. So today let's explore about formatting in Excel. So formatting, what formatting means is not this formatting or fonts changing and all. It is formatting of how our text appears in our cells, right? This here we are going to explore today. So this we can do it by this section in the numbers as you can see here. So suppose this is the dates that I have in my data set. Suppose I don't want to see them in this format, I want to see them in suppose short format. So they will appear like this here. Suppose I want to change it in the format like it is 1st Jan 2012. So how you can do this? It should appear like this. So how should this come? So I will select this and then I will press Ctrl plus 1. So when I press Ctrl 1, I get this format dialog box. So here as you can see there are different options available with us, but we don't have the option that we need, right? So what we can do is we can go to custom. First let's click this. This is closer to our format. We will edit this. We will keep 3 in months and we'll remove all this. Let's remove all this. Let's keep it dd dash mmm dash yy. So as you can see, when I type more number of y's, when I type two y's, it gives two letters. When I type three, it remains same. When I type four y's, it gives the whole year. Similarly, if I type three m's here, then it was Jan. When I type four m's, it becomes January. So like this, formatting works in Excel. So I want to get in this format, so I will keep it this way. Suppose here I want date as well as I want day as well, on which day it is coming. So I will say d dash. So it will give the weekday, the date, the month and the year. So let's change it to this format, right? So now the format that we required is obtained. What I was saying is you can type control plus 1. So this is used to this is the shortcut to open the custom dialog box, right? Suppose in this, as you can see, the sales is in thousands, right? All the sales are in thousands. So I want to make it as 7.1k. So how can I make it? So there is a formatting format for type that we can write so that we get this in the that format. So I will control take this. I will go to more format numbers. Then I will select custom. And as you can see here, I have made one format that says, as you can see the sample here, it says it will look like this. So what K means is literally the thousand, right? It will give two decimals after the decimal point and four characters before it. So it is this syntax is used for making converting it to K. So I will select OK, and now this is converted in the K format. Suppose this profit and loss, this is in currency format, right? So I want to convert it into currency. So what I can do, I can simply convert it to currency. Okay, my cells are not selected. I will simply convert it to currency, and as you can see, all of my sales have appeared in the currency format with a rupee symbol in front of it. So this makes our data more presentable and more factual, like it is a in rupee format. So we can now understand better that it is actually a profit and loss, right? We can also give this to our this also net sales as well, right? So I hope you were able to understand.